Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix delay WhatsApp message on iPhone. To fix a delay WhatsApp message on iPhone, you have to ensure you have a stable internet connection, and you also want to make sure to follow some of these steps. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure to refresh the background app. So you simply want to go to the general section from your settings and go to background apps refresh. So you want to toggle the button for WhatsApp right on this field, and that should be able to help. So here you want to make sure to go ahead and click on all these options and enable the notifications as well. As you've done it, so the other thing what you also want to make sure to do is you want to check for your WhatsApp and your iOS software. So check for notification settings and consider restarting your device. That could be able to fix. And if the issue still persists on, you could verify your battery optimization settings and try reinstalling WhatsApp after backing up your chats. So that is how you could fix delay WhatsApp message on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.